Hey everybody, it's the Meaty Mama here, and I am trying a new keto recipe today. This one is called Buffalo Chicken Crust Pizza, and it's a recipe that I saw in a YouTube video by the channel RuledMe. So let me show you what we're going to need for the crust. You will need 1 pound of ground chicken. I think it's upside down here. 1 pound of ground chicken. You'll need a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. You will need 1 egg. You will need 1 teaspoon of oregano and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. So let's get started. We're just going to put everything into a big mixing bowl and mix it till it's all mixed well together. So as you know, I'm trying to find meals, keto meals that are easy to do. This one it seems like it's complicated, but it doesn't really have that many ingredients when you think about it. And we're just gonna mix this together. Okay, now we're supposed to put this on a pizza thing. What do you call it? I don't know. Not a pizza stone, like the round pizza, whatever. I don't know what it's called. But I didn't buy any parchment paper, so I'm gonna be trying to make this in the cast iron skillet. So let me grab that real fast. And we're just gonna put that in there. Now it should be about 1/4 of an inch thick for the crust. And what you will do is you'll preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then you will bake the crust for 25 minutes or until it looks done. Also in the video, they ground the chicken themselves using chicken thighs. And of course, I asked them if you could use, pre-ground chicken from the grocery store, and they said you could. So I'm just trying to make things as simple as possible always. Would you please stop touching my head? Thank you. My son is excited about this. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven and cook it for 25 minutes, and then I'll be back and we will put the toppings on. See you in 25. Hey everybody, so I just took this out of the oven. I cooked it at 400 for 25 minutes, and it looks disgusting. Like, if you can see, can you see that? It's like runny. Like, what is that? So I'm gonna put it in a little bit longer and see if that fixes, because that's gross. Hey everybody, I went ahead and cooked it for like 5 more minutes, and it looks funky to me. So, I mean, I have no idea. I have no idea, but it's starting to burn on the outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the toppings in because it still has to cook for 10 more minutes after you put the toppings on. So the sauce that goes on it is a mixture of 1 tablespoon of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of original Frank's Red Hot. I hope this is enough sauce to spread here. I might have to make some more. Yeah, that doesn't look like enough sauce. This recipe is getting on my nerves. Hold on, I need to make some more sauce. All right, I made some more freaking sauce. Let's put it on. Didn't mix it very well. I'm getting irritated with this recipe. You know, like you watch people make something and it looks like so easy, and then you try it and yeah. Oh my goodness. And my son is irritating me with his loud videos. I'm just irritated today. I stopped soda yesterday, so I'm easily irritated. All right, and then we are going to put the cheese, of course, mozzarella. Now, in the video that they did, they topped it with the sauce. They cooked celery in butter and put that on the pizza. And I don't know about you, but there's no way that I'm putting celery on pizza. I've never had celery on pizza, and that's just strange to me. So I'm trying to make mine more like a barbecue chicken kind of pizza would be, with the chicken, with the onions, that kind of thing. So here's the mozzarella. Then I am going to put some red onion, thinly sliced. Just a little bit more. All right, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some, just some parsley flakes. Now I'm gonna stick that back in the 400 degree oven for 10 more minutes, and I hope to God this is edible. All right, we're back. It is done cooking for the 10 minutes after we put the toppings on. With the toppings, it looks much more appetizing, but I'm still kind of scared of this. So the next thing that we have to do is we are supposed to drizzle some more Red Hot over the top of the pizza. Let's see. Well, I wouldn't call this drizzling, but okay. Voila. Let's cut, shall we? Let's see. Very thin, which is good. I hope I'm gonna be able to get this out of the pan and pick it up. All right, let's go. One of these easier. I don't know why I think this one is easier. Oh my God, it's gonna come out like mush. Yeah, oh look at that, it's ripping. Okay, kids. Okay. Hey, look at that. Look at that. It's just ripping. Okay. It's like mush. Wow. I'm gonna try this. We don't even have a normal fork for me to try this. Everything about this recipe has irritated me from start to finish. Okay. Anyways, I'm not even gonna try to pick this up with my hands because we know what's gonna happen. Let's go for one of these crustiness pieces. I need a little onion though. Okay. That should be everything in the bite. The reason why the forks are flat is because in our sunroom, one of the windows has a hole in the screen, and when we open the window, my son likes to drop things out of the hole. And so one day, he decided it would be fun to drop all of the silverware outside of the hole. And we live on the 3rd floor, okay? So I discovered all of our silverware in the parking lot. And 2 of our forks had been run over by cars. So, flat forks. So anyways, let's give this a try. I'm scared. I don't know what to say about this. The flavor, it's like too much Red Hot. And then the texture of this is very like, I don't even know. It's like, it's not like pizza. It's not like pizza. I mean, it's not like pizza. I don't know what to do with this. It's just this weird texture. It's like not granuly, but it's like airy. It's like chicken and air. I don't know how to describe it. It's too much Red Hot. So if I were to make this again, I wouldn't. I would do a different pizza crust because I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, it doesn't taste bad. It's just weird. It's the texture. And I would use less Red Hot because that is really overpowering. Even the onion, like, that overpowers everything. Well, what can I say? Maybe I didn't make it correctly. I don't know. You can give it a try. I'll put the link in the description below. And if you make it, comment below and tell me what you think and if it turned out better for you. And I'm gonna go eat this because I'm not gonna waste it. So I'll see you guys till the next one.